Program to calculate the force. To create an AI Connect program to calculate the force, create a project. In this project, create a basic coding activity. Then follow the given steps. Here, we take an example of a car of mass 1500 kg that accelerates at 2 meters per second. Step 1. Declare two variables, mass and acceleration, to store the value of mass and acceleration respectively of the car. Block code. Textual code. Step 2. Declare a variable force to store the value of calculated force. Use arithmetic operators to calculate its value. Block code. Textual code. Step 3. Print the value of calculated force. Block code. Textual code. Output.